Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're just going to do a quick review of VLOOKUP, Xmatch, and index. Here we just have what's the output if the input is F3. Here we have an F9. All right, this is going to change. Oh, name ranges. We just have this input and output. Here, VLOOKUP. F3, we're going to look up this number. Where? B5 to C10. What's our output? It's going to be column 2. Remember, if you don't recall, VLOOKUP, we have a lookup array, F3, our table array, which is going to be this list, and our column. And note our range outlook is 0. If you don't recall what that is, that's going to be approximate match or exact match. 0 is an exact match. Here, we want the row. We use match. F3, 5. What's our lookup array? B5 to B10. B5 to B10, limited. We don't need to go over here. All we're doing is looking for the match. You could go B5, C10, doesn't matter. Our match type, the 1. Exact or next smallest. Last but not least, let's just bring in match, throw it into index, and here we have index match. The only change is we went from 1 in the match type over to 0, which is exact, because our number is an exact output. There's no range here. Read it if you need it, and it's a great narrative. A lot of tips here. Again, this is all about review. At the advanced level, sometimes we just shrug our shoulders going, I know all this stuff. Sometimes we're so busy, we just can't remember it all. Again, the anatomy, review it, take a look, parse it if you need, strip it down. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for watching. See you soon.